What is the function of the gland in Hulk's body that makes an oxygenated perfluorocarbon emulsion? The correct function of the gland is to generate pressure in Hulk's lungs to move quickly between varying depths without concerns about decompression or nitrogen narcosis. In option A, nitrogen narcosis by being concerned is inscribed, while in option C, compression is inscribed instead of decompression. So both of them are incorrect answer. Both of choice A and choice C are to be eliminated. On the other hand, nitroglycerin is written instead of nitrogen in the option E, which is totally irrelevant, and the pressure generation in option D is happened varying depths by being concerned. So choice D and E are also unfit to make sense, and they are to be eliminated. The function is reflected to generate pressure in Hulk's lungs to move quickly between varying depths without concerns about decompression or nitrogen narcosis. So the correct answer is choice B.